Hola, este pequeño video es para que usted tenga la pronunciación del vocabulario. Recuerde que habrá que hacer las palabras 5 veces en inglés y 5 veces en español. Repito, habrá que hacer las palabras 5 veces en inglés y 5 veces en español. Comenzamos. New vocabulary, adjectives, adjetivos, big, bold, cheap, difficult, easy, expensive, fat, good, handsome, heavy, large, little, loud, married, new, noisy, old, poor, pretty, quiet, rich, short, single, small, tall, terrible, thin, ugly, young. Todas las que están aquí son adjetivos. Weather, el clima, cloudy, cold, cool, hot, raining, snowing, sunny, warm. Lugares alrededor del mundo, places around the world. Honolulu, Miami, Tahiti. Estos no los van a hacer. People, boss, repair person. Family, brother, mother, sister. Everyday activities, calling, writing to. Verbs, be, isn't, aren't. Additional nouns, chapter, city, clinic, food, hotel, house, question, Santa Claus, stomach, weather. Miscellaneous, a few, about, but, here, how, or, other, out, so, this, together. Time words, now, soon. Expresiones, si quiere las repite, si no, no. Dear mother, for a few days, having a good time, having problems with. Sorry to hear that. In fact, looking out the window, love, Ethel, on vacation, raining cats and dogs, see you soon, tell me about, to tell the truth.